Hello and welcome to Money Sprinkles, where we talk about personal and business credit. If you have not taken the time to like, subscribe, and to comment, please go on ahead and do that at this time. Make sure you smash that subscribe button so I could go on ahead and get moved up and bumped on that algorithm that YouTube currently has. I really appreciate you for taking the time to come to my channel and to watch my videos. And I am definitely appreciating your support as well. Today's video is going to be about Navy Federal Credit Union and their business solutions. I want to go ahead and get started on business credit as well. I have been talking about a lot about personal credit. So today the video is strictly about the Navy Federal Credit Union and their business solutions. What products do they offer? So I am currently at the Navy Federal Credit Union site. Always remember that in order for you to participate in any of these Navy Federal Credit Union programs that they have, whether it's personal or business, you definitely have to be a member. If you are not sure how to become a member of the Navy Federal Credit Union, go ahead and look at my playlist. I currently have several videos on how to become a member of the Navy Federal Credit Union and what type of affiliation to the military you must have. And there's also some tips and tricks on how to become a member without actually being a military member, or just different videos out there that will actually get you some, hopefully assist you in getting membership into the Navy Federal Credit Union, which we all know is the largest credit union in the United States, and it has the best programs and best products out there. Is also known as the house of the high credit limit. So that's why I am very adamant about putting out the Navy Federal Credit Union out there, because their products are amazing. So without further ado, I want to go ahead and get started on the business side of the house of the Navy Federal Credit Union. As you can see, the business solutions currently offer the checking and savings, they offer business credit cards, and they offer business loans. I have had the checking with the Navy Federal Credit Union for one of my businesses that I had in the past. I currently do not have them because at the time my business was considered a high risk. And again, I'm more than sure that you have watched several videos, if you haven't, on what high risk businesses are. I plan on doing a video on that, but right now this one is basically about the products that the Navy Federal Credit Union offers for business. In this case, we're looking at the business checking account. They currently have no monthly service fees. You could have up to 2 signers, and it's actually created for new businesses and limited cash flow activity. Anything above the 30 electronic documents then starts paying 25 cents per transaction thereafter. But again, there's no monthly service fee. The Business Plus checking, it currently has up to 50 non-electronic transactions, and there's a monthly service fee of $8, unlimited signers, and it's best for growing businesses, multiple owners, and for a company that has steady banking activity. The Business Premium checking account is 100 non-electronic transactions are included, and then 25 cents per transaction. The monthly service fee is it could be $0 to $20, and the $20 is based on monthly service fee will be waived if the average daily balance is $5,000 or more. Okay, otherwise it'll be a $20 monthly service fee will apply. Okay, so that's where that comes into play. I would say that's for more mature businesses, large transaction volumes, and higher deposit balances, and of course multiple owners. As you can see, the annual interest per year, it's a little bit, it's a 0.35 and a 0.40. Another thing that the Navy Federal Credit Union offers is their business credit cards, and I'm going to go ahead and go into those so we could specifically just talk about the business credit cards. I do know that the business credit cards for the Navy Federal Credit Union do not report to, if you're looking for a credit card that for your business that reports to the business side of the house, credit, like to the NAV, or to Equifax, or to Experian, which are the three on the business side of the house, which are the three credit bureaus for the business. Navy Federal does not report, so that's important for you to know that. But they actually do provide some high credit limits on these business credit cards. Currently for this one is the Go Business Rewards credit card. It's 1 point per dollar spent, 0 annual fee, and your variable APR can begin from 10.65 to 18%. It's available as a Visa or MasterCard. You have the option. Multiple card holders are available. Again, keep in mind this is a business card. No foreign transaction fees, great for travel expenses, and zero liability for unauthorized transactions. Rewards, you definitely have, sample rewards is 5,000 points. We'll get you a gift card. What are the benefits? Of course, your average benefits: protection and insurance, travel services, discounts and deals, and business support services. Same thing if you have it as a Visa. If you have it as a MasterCard, you get exclusive business advantages: cellular wireless telephone protection, MasterCard ID theft protection, and Master Rental collision damage waiver. Again, that is an excellent product to have. It's their GoBiz reward credit card. They also have the business loans. Business loans currently that the Navy Federal has is, of course, in lines of credit. Lines of credits are amazing. You have your commercial real estate loans, and then you have your business lines of credit. I'm definitely going to be doing a video on Navy Federal business lines of credit loans. Let's go ahead and just take a quick look at these line of credit loans that they have. Of course, unexpected expenses, working capital. The highlights is they actually offer you a line of credit for operational purposes, line amount starting at $35,000, variable rate tied to prime, and term length can match borrower needs, must be secured, of course, and fees apply. It's best for an established business, bridging a cash flow gap, business growth, unexpected expenses, other operational purposes. You would have to complete in order to get a BLOC, which is a business line of credit, you would have to complete and sign a business loan application. You would have to provide the last 2 years of your business tax return. Business plan may be required, and basically all the information that's normally required for a business line of credit. You also have what's called a checking line of credit, and a checking line of credit will give you limits of up to $5,000. Is an annual fee of $50 per annual fee, and is best for overdraft protection of business checking account, offsetting short-term cash needs. And you will have to have application in for a business loan. You definitely have to personally guarantee it, and it's a personal credit check as well. So that one, you'll have an actual hard inquiry on your TransUnion. As we know, that's what Navy Federal works with when they start pulling your credit. They also offer vehicle and term loans for businesses. A lot of people always get caught up with the Ally or with these other ones. Navy Federal Credit Union offers business term and vehicle loans as well. If you have to purchase equipment, business vehicles, heavy duty trucks. So a lot of people do not know this, but Navy Federal could definitely help you with those types of loans. It's a term loan for purchases or refinancing. So if you currently purchased a vehicle, a commercial vehicle, and you want to refinance it, you are able to. It's a loan to value up to 75%, which is not bad at all. They do have a $150 origination fee. And again, it's good for your commercial equipment, computer equipment, leasehold improvements, or expansion. Same thing applies. You have to do the business loan application. You have to have a certificate of insurance. What that means is that you have to make the Navy Federal listed as a loss payee if something was to happen. And it's a personal guarantee, and again, a personal credit check. So, and then that is for the term loans. You also have the business vehicle loans, pretty much the same thing, except that they actually do a loan to value up to 100%. They require to have the Carfax vehicle history on there, and you would have to have basically what you normally would have for a auto loan application, which is the business loan application, the purchase invoice, insurance certificate, mileage statement, payoff statement. Of course, if you're refinancing, it will be a personal guarantee and a personal credit check with that as well. And the same applies for the commercial vehicle loan. No prepayment penalties, no fees, loan to value up to 80% for new and used 75%. And these are for these big trucks, special use vans that people are currently financing for transportation and to open up their businesses in transportation and moving things from one side to the other. Okay. So I hope you have learned something today about the different business products that the Navy Federal Credit Union has. And if you don't mind, if you could go ahead and please like and subscribe to my channel, I'll greatly appreciate it. Thank you, and you'll have a great day.